Hello. I want to talk about a topic today that we are actually quite passionate about here at New Orbit, and this is reskilling your workforce to be AI ready. The myth is that reskilling for AI is too big, it's too expensive, and it's just way too overwhelming. But in reality, this simply is just not true. Reskilling is actually pretty simple, and it's more human than you think. AI isn't just changing tasks, it's changing what people need to be able to do. And the real risk isn't the technology, it's standing still while the world still moves forward. Across industries, leaders are asking the same hard questions. Do our people have the skills they need for what's coming next? And what if AI widens the gap between our experts and everyone else? And those concerns are very legitimate. AI is a very fast accelerating technology. The skills that kept teams competitive 5 years ago won't keep them competitive 5 years from now. If we don't invest in our people, we just fall behind. We'll lose the trust and momentum that we all know makes transformation possible. That being said, here's the good news. Reskilling for AI isn't about turning everyone into data scientists. It's about turning your existing talent into future ready talent and harnessing the power of AI to simply make your life easier. It's that simple. Let's acknowledge something together openly. People are tired of being told to adapt without being given the support to actually do it. They're hearing things like AI is coming, the future is changing, and keep up. But what they feel is anxiety and uncertainty and the fear of becoming obsolete. The human side of AI starts by replacing that fear with a path forward, a reskilling journey that says, you belong in this future and we're going to help you grow into it. Because AI doesn't replace people, it raises the bar for all of us and gives us the new opportunities to develop and learn. Okay, so what does effective AI reskilling actually look like? It's not a week-long training course and it's not a list of tools, and it's definitely not everyone will figure it out. Here are some rules you can apply today to jumpstart the adoption of AI within your company or your team. So, number one, start with practical role-specific skills. Not theory, not AI jargon, short, focused learning that helps people get real value on day one. Prompt patterns, automating some part of workflows, and using AI to support decision making. Support decision making, not make the decisions. Small wins build confidence, and confidence builds momentum. Number two, build on your existing strengths, not just new tools. People don't need to become technical experts, they need to learn how AI enhances what they already do. Analysts learn to analyze deeper, customer service teams learn to personalize faster, and developers move the more repetitive tasks to higher value programming. And leaders also learn to think more strategically. Reskilling is additive, not a replacement. Point three, and possibly one of the more important points, create a safe space to learn together. Share prompts, celebrate wins, and talk openly about mistakes. When teams learn together, the knowledge compounds. For example, here at New Orbit, we introduced a section within our company meeting where we can talk about the wins of AI, and this paints a positive light and allows the colleagues to experience the same wins. This is also how you build a culture that doesn't just use AI but also benefits from all of its use cases. And last but not least is the fourth point. Give people visible pathways into new roles. Show them what careers look like in an AI-enabled organization and how it can help advance your role. In the past year, New Orbit has introduced an AI skill center, AI prompt engineers on top of already existing roles, and this has really helped advance those already existing roles within the organization. When people see their future clearly, fear just simply dissolves. Let's talk about something that I like to call reskilling done right. Multiple organizations that we have worked with have struggled with adoption. Their people didn't fear AI, they just didn't know how to apply it to themselves. So we introduced an event, a hackathon. We set up an AI-focused event so that like-minded people could collaborate together, share ideas, and achieve an actual goal and make something that's actually useful. Within days after this event, something had obviously shifted. Developers were starting to see how powerful AI can be, assisting their learning and helping their decision making. Project managers were also coming to terms after seeing some demos. They were noticing that these tools are actually just helping people be more productive rather than replacing their role. People with no AI experience were able to contribute and learn during this hackathon by using AI to assist with the learning process. The idea here is we are not telling people to reskill, we are simply providing tools to help support their reskilling. If you're a leader, here comes the truth. Your people do not need perfection, they need permission. Permission to learn, experiment, and grow. And with proper guidance, this is all very achievable. AI will reshape work with us or without us, but the leaders who win are the ones that choose to bring their people with them and not leave them behind. Your role is to create the environment, psychological safety, structured learning, clear pathways, and a shared vision what the future looks like. Reskilling is not a technical project, it's a leadership behavior. If you're wondering where to begin, start where the energy already is. Create small little learning spaces, slot extra bits in the collaborative meetings, and empower early adopters. Let real success stories pull the rest forward. At Native, we help organizations to do exactly this. So drop us a message and we can talk about how to better shape your journey and remove those anxieties around this entire topic. After all, the future doesn't belong to the technology, it belongs to the people who know how to use it. Because when people grow, organizations grow, and when they thrive, transformation becomes inevitable.